So today in this video, we're going to be finishing up the NMRA social media kit building contest. This is the last video. We're going to be going through and looking at some of the highlights on both of the buildings. Both of these turned out great. This is mine, obviously, and then the blue one is my dad's. We worked on these together. I didn't do probably enough video as I should have on my dad's, though. So let's get right into it. Alright, so obviously here he has some beehives in the back of his. Those are Woodland Scenics beehives, I do believe. They look very, very nice, and I like how they turned out. Also, the front doors on his are a little bit different than mine. He also has this kind of porch type thing, and he added a white metal back door. You can see a lot of details that he has added on this building, including a ladder, an open top door, some junk around the building as well. I really like how his building turned out. His weathering looks good, and just the general feel of the building. On mine, I have this die-cast metal car and the people in front. Also, my front doors are open instead of his. His are completely, well, only one of his doors is open. I also have this cheap car that I found that I weathered and made look really junky. I did add window inserts to mine as well, I just didn't do any video on it. I also have this post here that I added. I don't know why, I just thought that it looked good. I also added a power line to my building, just to make it look a little bit different.